Hey, welcome to my channel, guys. Today, I will show you top 10 tips to help your tires last longer. Tires are one of the most critical components of any vehicle, directly affecting safety, performance, and efficiency. Regular checks and timely maintenance can prevent unexpected issues and ensure a smooth driving experience. Proper tire maintenance, tire care can significantly extend their lifespan, saving you money and reducing the environmental impact of frequent replacements. This includes regular tire rotations, balancing, and keeping them clean. Here are some effective ways to make your tires more durable and reliable for everyday use. 1. Maintain proper tire pressure for safety and efficiency. Underinflated or overinflated tires wear unevenly, reducing their lifespan and compromising safety. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and keep it at the manufacturer recommended PSI or pounds per square inch for best results. Proper inflation ensures even wear, optimal performance, and better fuel efficiency. 2. Rotate your tires regularly. Tire rotation helps distribute wear evenly across all 4 tires. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles to prevent uneven tread wear and extend their durability. 3. Align and balance your wheels. Misaligned wheels cause uneven tire wear, leading to premature replacement. Have your wheels aligned and balanced regularly, especially after hitting potholes, curbs, or experiencing unusual vibrations. 4. Drive smoothly. Aggressive driving, such as sudden braking, rapid acceleration, and hard cornering, wears down tire tread faster. Drive smoothly and maintain a steady speed to reduce unnecessary tire stress. 5. Choose quality tires. Investing in high-quality durable tires can save money in the long run. Look for tires with a strong tread compound, reinforced sidewalls, and good traction ratings suited for your driving conditions. 6. Store tires properly. If you use seasonal tires, store them in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Use tire covers or airtight bags to protect them from dirt, moisture, and UV damage. 7. Check for wear and tear. Please inspect your tires regularly for cracks, bulges, uneven tread wear, and embedded debris. You may even discover screws and nails in your tires that you didn't know. Addressing minor issues early can prevent major damage and extend tire life. Regular inspections ensure your safety on the road and help maintain optimal vehicle performance. Don't overlook this crucial step in vehicle maintenance. 8. Avoid overloading your vehicle. Exceeding the weight limit of your vehicle puts extra strain on the tires, causing them to wear out faster. Always follow the recommended load capacity in your vehicle's manual. 9. Use the right tires for your climate. Using summer tires in winter or all-season tires in extreme conditions can lead to premature wear. Use tires designed for specific weather conditions to ensure longevity and performance. 10. Keep your suspension in good condition. A worn-out suspension system can cause uneven tire wear. Regularly check and maintain your shocks, struts, and other suspension components to ensure they function properly. By following these tire maintenance tips, you can improve durability, enhance safety, and maximize your investment in your vehicle's tires. Many thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss more amazing vehicle safety tips.